Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best color corrector gel teeth is probably one of the most innovative solutions to hit the market for anyone looking to achieve a brighter, more confident smile without the hassle of traditional whitening methods, offering a unique approach to neutralizing yellow tones and enhancing the natural brilliance of your teeth with its advanced color correcting technology that works on a molecular level to counteract imperfections and deliver visible results quickly and effectively. Number 5. Auraglow 35% Teeth Whitening Gel. Achieve a brighter smile with our Dentist Strength Whitening Gel. It's designed for maximum effectiveness, giving you professional results at home. Our 35% carbamide peroxide formula is tough on stains but gentle on your teeth. Experience effective whitening without discomfort. This versatile gel works perfectly with your existing dental trays, retainers, or aligners. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your oral care routine. Get ready for a visibly whiter smile with 30 complete treatments in every package. That's plenty to achieve your desired results. Each package contains 3 5ml syringes for easy and precise application. This ensures you use just the right amount every time. Transform your smile with this powerful whitening solution. It's the simple way to achieve a noticeably brighter and more confident you. What we like? This offers a dentist-strength whitening experience with 35% carbamide peroxide. It provides 30 treatments for a comprehensive whitening journey. If you're looking for a powerful yet manageable at-home whitening solution that mimics professional treatments, this is a great choice. What people say. The concentration is significantly higher than the standard drugstore varieties, and it shows. It has this perfect, thick viscosity that stays exactly where I put it in my whitening trays, ensuring that the active ingredients are actually working on my enamel rather than leaking out and irritating my gums. The results, frankly, were visible after just the very first application, which is something I rarely say about beauty products. Number 4. Auraglow 44% Teeth Whitening Gel. Achieve a brighter smile with our professional-grade teeth whitening gel. It's designed for maximum effectiveness, giving you that dentist-clean feeling at home. Experience the power of dentist-strength carbamide peroxide. This potent formula works efficiently to lift stains and reveal a noticeably whiter smile. Perfect for use with trays, retainers, and aligners. Simply apply the gel as directed for a comfortable and effective whitening treatment. Get ready for a full smile transformation. Each package provides 30 individual treatments, ensuring you have enough for a complete whitening regimen. The convenient syringe packaging makes application simple and precise. Just dispense the right amount and achieve brilliant results. Unlock your most radiant smile with this advanced whitening solution. Feel more confident with every use as your teeth become visibly brighter. What we like? Experience a more potent whitening effect with 44% carbamide peroxide, designed for faster and more dramatic results. This option is ideal for those who have stubborn stains or want to achieve a significantly brighter smile in less time. If you're seeking a powerful boost and are comfortable with a higher concentration, this gel is for you. What people say. The concentration is significantly higher than the standard drugstore varieties, and it shows. It has this perfect, thick viscosity that stays exactly where I put it in my whitening trays, ensuring that the active ingredients are actually working on my enamel rather than leaking out and irritating my gums. The results, frankly, were visible after just the very first application, which is something I rarely say about beauty products. Number 3. Auraglow Teeth Whitening Gel. Introducing Auraglow Teeth Whitening Gel, a simple way to achieve a brighter smile. Just add it to your regular toothpaste for a powerful whitening effect. With 9% hydrogen peroxide, this gel effectively tackles tough stains. It's designed to remove discoloration from coffee, wine, and tea. Enjoy over 350 whitening treatments with just one bottle. This provides excellent value for maintaining your radiant smile. Forget messy trays or uncomfortable strips. Our formula integrates seamlessly into your daily routine for convenient and effective whitening. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust the quality and efficacy of this whitening solution. Experience a cleaner, whiter smile with ease. What we like? This innovative gel allows you to whiten your teeth simply by adding it to your regular toothpaste, eliminating the need for trays or strips. It's perfect for individuals who want a convenient, no-fuss whitening routine integrated into their daily brushing. If you dislike the hassle of trays and prefer an effortless way to maintain a brighter smile, This is your go-to. What people say. It fits perfectly into my daily routine and feels gentle while still helping my teeth look a bit brighter with consistent use. No sensitivity so far, which is a big plus. This product did make my teeth whiter, but not as white as a piece of paper if you know what I mean. However, for the price, it did make a significant difference. The product does whiten teeth. I can tell a difference but not as much as expected. Works better than anything I have tried before, so I would definitely buy again. Number 2. MySmile Teeth Whitening Gel Pen Refill Pack. Introducing the MySmile Teeth Whitening Gel Pen Refill Pack. Keep your smile bright with these convenient refills. This pack includes 3 non-sensitive whitening pens. Achieve a brighter smile without discomfort. Experience the deluxe, dental-grade formula for effective teeth whitening. It's designed for optimal results. Get fast results conveniently at home. Our formula works quickly to reveal a whiter smile. Formulated with carbamide peroxide, these refills ensure powerful yet gentle whitening. Enjoy a noticeably brighter smile. It's your go-to solution for maintaining a radiant smile. Simply refill and continue your whitening journey. What we like. Achieve a brighter smile on the go with this easy-to-use whitening pen refill. Its non-sensitive formula ensures a comfortable experience, making it perfect for touch-ups anytime, anywhere. If you value convenience, portability, and a gentle yet effective whitening solution for maintaining your smile between professional treatments or after using other methods, this pen is ideal. What people say. This product is amazing. It works really well to cover up dark circles and redness. The gel formula is lightweight and blends easily into the skin, providing a natural finish. It has a subtle scent that is not overpowering and pleasant to wear throughout the day. Number 1. Opalescence 35% CP Mint Refill Kit. Achieve a brighter smile with our professional teeth whitening refill kit. It's designed for effective and convenient use in the comfort of your home. This kit features a potent carbamide peroxide gel, specifically formulated to tackle stubborn stains. Experience a noticeable difference in just a few uses. Enjoy a refreshing mint flavor during your whitening treatment. It makes the process more pleasant while delivering exceptional results. Our refill kit comes with easy-to-use syringes, ensuring precise application every time. This pack provides multiple treatments for long-lasting brightness. Developed by Ultradent, a leader in dental innovation, you can trust the quality and efficacy of this product. Get the radiant smile you deserve. What we like. This refill kit from a trusted brand provides a 35% carbamide peroxide gel with a refreshing mint flavor. It's designed for those who already use whitening trays and are looking for a reliable and effective replenishment. If you're a returning user of this specific concentration and brand, or if you appreciate a minty fresh experience during your whitening sessions, this refill is an excellent choice. What people say. After just a few uses, my teeth look noticeably brighter and more natural compared to other products I've tried. This product dramatically bleaches and whitens appearance in a visibly noticeable fashion after 2 or so uses. They noticeably whiten teeth, even after 1 use. They do not make my teeth as sensitive, compared to other products. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.